So we're going to be over here quarter after 8, quarter after 11. So getting about lunchtime. It's pretty busy with traffic out here. See, he's administrative with the show. So a lot of those guys getting around. It's a feature tracker area, and it's just bare. You can buy shelves here. A kid's hobby horse. Bradley, Illinois, represented. See there with the show administrative. They get in free, those guys. It's got that easy go setting up. I think I know where I'm going. I want to walk over here. I still have my money. That's a nice tall shelf. It's a nice trailer. He's got the airfoil on his toy hauler. Taylor Wings. I wonder if the guy builds those or something. He's advertising for them out of Tennessee. And then these guys are bringing in their trucks to haul the stuff out that they bought. Sounds like he's getting ready to throw a belt any minute now. Running his air conditioner. Okay, anyway. Oh, there's somebody selling food. I didn't think they was going to have any food here this year. The sweet corn's the hit. The corn's drying up, the crops look great, but I'm digging this gas station attendant guy. Inflatable. Empty showground. So, I know where I'm going. Low boy with the loader. Oh, wait. A street sweeper. A sweepster from Dexter, Michigan. That's over by Jackson. An international electrified? No, 2-cycle gas. It's $1,000. No, $100. The Hydro. An Evil Knievel Spirit of 1976 edition. International. Looks authentic. I bet it looked good when it was new, man. That was a fun year. I would have been 12 years old or 11. Seems like I was 14, but I was only 11. A lot of Trump yard signs on the way over here. It's like every house had a Trump sign. Most of those bikes got exported. A beginner bike, it's only a 250. You look at it and you think it was a 400, but yeah, it's got the style of a big cruiser. That's all. Women to the back. She's taking the back seat like a good woman. She's back here on her iPhone. I wonder what they got on this guy. $100 on her. Missing the lid too. So this is the consignment barn. It's closed? I don't get it. Just kidding, ladies. Dirty, dusty place to be. I brought some water and some towels to take a shower if I need one. A spare set of clothes. Just in case I don't think I'm gonna need them. I made it here early enough. I'm glad I came here today because it'll start clearing out. The GP been sitting under a tree. And then when I went by the Airstream plant, they had an Airstream, the most beautiful classic little Airstream trailer, a show trailer, and someone had a tree had fell on it. See, that's a van that's that color, but it's a newer van. That's what I'm looking for, and it's over here. And he has very exotic watercraft type stuff. Look at that sulky made out of a bus seat. Another GP hood with that guy. There is a method to the madness here. Water pumps. You know, it's hard to find two of those the same. Everybody and their brother made them pump jacks. You see the prices on anvils, and that's this is the kind of stuff people threw in their flower beds. And I mean, they're finding out hell they can buy a new iPhone for what that thing in their flower bed's worth. This one says Chicago right on it, area motor, like. And then the guy puts them and does whimsical stuff with them, puts motors on them and makes them. Check out the hog oilers. Now this is kind of your run-of-the-mill type of thing that's here. And this is this guy's ghetto cruiser over here. We'll take a peek. See, he doesn't want you to know that he has money.
The gentleman has a golf cart in the back seat, facing backwards. He has a monkey and a gorilla with a face mask on. Got a gentleman here that tried to catch you. He's a little bit too old to be a sprinter, but he was a jogger and he couldn't catch it. He'd like to see you, if you don't mind. If you want to come up here to the announcer stand.
With a monkey.
And he'd like to see you up here. So if you'd head this way, we'd appreciate it.
The monkey and the golf cart come to the office. Pretty cool signage. Kind of like a beauty pageant, isn't it? Everybody out strutting. The golf cart with the monkey holding a watermelon and a pig oiler. And the dual wheels in the back, and it's oh yeah, very sexy 18-inch lawn boy and the industrial yellow. Kind of a chartreuse, has a greenie to it. Oh yeah. Cool signage over here too. Clay County, Illinois. That sounds like quite an address. Only $1,000, only $1,500 for that one. It's a Hey Budden. No wonder I don't have one. Little pop out thing on that guy. Some wild cherry. These guys make their own ice cream here, and they have their whole routine. Some, you know, I have my sub sandwich. That's my routine. In here. My man purse. I'm walking the wrong way. That's a big ass toy hauler. There's an important business meeting. The plastic cans, he's selling them. You're getting expensive. Believe it or not. It's because the new ones have safety things on them or something. New takeoffs. Trailer wheels. Feed grinder. General Electric for $750, $250. It's not too big either to wear. John Madden over there for $1.25. See, she's got her mask and her sunglasses on, so you can't see how sexy she is. Hi. I walked into this Myers, and the lady walked out with a mask. I recognized her, and she's trespassed from the store for stealing. That's a cute little thresher, that small one. But when you wear a mask, Meyer can trespass all the people they want, but they're going to put a mask on and come in anyway, because that's the kind of people they are. It's a new idea. She's still looking at me. That wouldn't take up too much room or anything. It'd be nice to have something like that. Is that a price tag? It's sold. Mark's sold. Yeah. I seen them go for cheap here before. Man, I hope that chick doesn't watch my video and see I was calling her. Oh boy. Minneapolis and silver. Something like that, you're not afraid to touch it. The guy who owns it is standing right behind me. Yep. Pretty neat. Thanks. Normally that'd be you just don't touch other people's stuff. Regardless. You don't know who they are. But I haven't had anybody jump me like a wild man over me on my camera. There's a homemade toy hauler. He's got a screen door on that side with a barn door. Now this is the square one, and it's worth a whole different ball game than the round one. I forget which one's which, but people still want to use them actually, and you can buy a brand new one, but they're not cheap. How I ended up back here, I'll never know. And it says, yes, it has a Hemi. Yes, it's a Suzuki engine in that. It's a convertible, and it has a hardtop thing going on it. But I think those even had the 3-cylinder Geo. And the Mexican people like them mostly. And you'll see them in yellow once in a while. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Burgard Rippy, making my way around Portland. I ended up in a whole different corner than I thought I would. Making my way around the show. Glad I came here today. Thanks again.